you got, Billie Jean? Got some bread. Yep, and a little black chicken over here. Ended up with some bread. I get a shot of him. He's a pretty black chicken. But those guys over there got stuck on the other side of the fence. And like, they're just too dumb to figure out how to get over here. So they're gonna lose out today, I guess, until they figure out how to get over here. They know exactly, I mean, they know what, there's a spot right down the way. They just can't get it figured out. It's not just that, those chickens, it's any chicken.